So bengilandela istory sika Zoso, King Zoso, and the lady umama lo wengane ekhubazekile, where he was trying to help. So Zoso was trying to help this lady onengane ekhubazekile. Umntwana needed a wheelchair, and people donated. Also went to see Immobility to pay for the wheelchair. And the woman made a video to say ukuthi King Zoso never gave her a wheelchair, so loku alinda. Then King Zoso came back to say no, he had given the lady a wheelchair ukubambisa, and now they are waiting for a wheelchair that is more suitable for a condition yomntwana. And then the lady got impatient. Guys, ukusiza abantu. Ngoba ukusiza abantu. Now, let me say this, for those who don't know, I have umntwana on special needs. My child has physical disabilities, and she is a CP angel, and so she uses a wheelchair, okay? And I am a customer as a CE Mobility. We recently got her a wheelchair from a CE Mobility. Okay, so number one, into engifuna ukomenta kuyona as umzali wengane esebenzisa i-wheelchair from CE Mobility is imali, because I know ukuthi abanye abantu will question ukuthi does a wheelchair cost that much. Yes, in fact, if King Zoso ekhokhe u-28,000, there is a very reasonable amount. Maybe they even gave him a discount. That's number one. Number two, isikhathi esilindwayo uma ngabe usufuna i-wheelchair. I-wheelchair mawuyithenga, unless nje kuyilawa owathenga nako Discam, just a standard one. Mhlawumbe ugogo wakho kade kwazi ukuhamba, sakwazi ukuhamba, you just want to move her from one place to another, then uyakwazi ukungena esitolo uyithenge. Kodwa in places like CE Mobility, uyabona lama wheelchair that you see there by the reception area, ama display, and some of them awama patients vele order a while back as a delivery, they are ready for collection. So like i-wheelchair laphayana, you don't go there like uyothenga isinkwa ubanike imali bakunike i-wheelchair. No, laphayana you first make an appointment ukuthi umntwana need a wheelchair. They need to see the child, they need to assess a condition yomntwana so that they can determine ama needs omntwana. Then they will recommend ukuthi umntanakho isihlalo fanele asithole sinidi support kanje. There is no one child that can use a wheelchair that was used by another child, unless it's a desperate situation you cannot afford to get isihlalo is suitable for umntanakho. But even if abantwana benesi too, but they need ama wheelchair angafani, because ama needs abo abafani, because ama disabilities abo awafani. Okay, so they assess the child, then they tell you, okay, this is what they need. Some need extra bed support, some they need extra straps, whatever it is that the child need, then they will accustom a wheelchair for umntwana to suit ama needs umntwana. Njoba ngisho ukuthi recently we got her a new wheelchair, umntanami, after she had been using a wheelchair for a number of years, but she outgrew the wheelchair. Then says besesimthengela entsha. Siqale i-process around, if I'm not mistaken, end of October, November last year. I-wheelchair size bangithi siqale process, there was us making an appointment, samhambisa umntwana laphayana CE Mobility, bafike bam-assessa to see ukuthi ene sidinga i-wheelchair ngakanani. After that, it was a back and forth because we were using a medical aid. The medical aid approved. After a medical aid approved, you guys, it must have been 6 months, 5 to 6 months of us waiting, of us just sending emails to say, has it come? Here is the situation that we were dealing with. They could get a wheelchair locally. They had sourced a wheelchair locally, I think. But my child needed extra back support, a special kind of support that they had to import. So a wheelchair with everything, but a back support, which really was what we were excited about. A wheelchair is a taller, took long because it was imported. Guys, like sometimes you can wait up to a year for them to just get everything together. But once you get it together, it's worth it, because umntwana uzobe ehlala comfortably. Having seen ama pictures alo umntwana, I can see how it might take long for them to get everything that they need to put together a wheelchair that will be suitable for lo mntwana. So angimazi lo mama mina ukuthi uphilaphi la engazi khona. Even in the public hospital, you just don't go and apply. Lawa apply like in the public sector, you just don't go and apply for a wheelchair. Namhlanje we told namhlanje, you know. Umntana, when she was 2 years old, we applied for a wheelchair as a public. Kuze kube namhlanje, she's turning 15, akaze si receive a wheelchair. So I don't understand how that lady expected King Zoso to quickly come with a wheelchair. And also, she had a wheelchair abenikiwe ukuthi abambise isikhashana. Well, let me tell you something. CE Mobility is the best that you can get. Like in terms of them providing a wheelchair for Mtwan. If she waits, if she's patient and she waits for that wheelchair, it will be worth it for her child. Unless she has other intentions, unless yena she wants imali from King Zoso azokwenza into zakhe ngayo. But if efuna a wheelchair that is going to help the child, that is more suitable for the needs of that child, then CE Mobility is the best place that you can get that wheelchair from. This is the second wheelchair that I have got from them. And trust me, it's worth the wait. If you have to wait 5 months, if you have to wait 6 months, 8 months, when that wheelchair comes, trust me, it will do wonders for that child. So I wanted to share this just to say from a mom that has experience in getting wheelchairs for abantwana. Isikhathi sokulinda is not abnormal. I saw King Zoso also going to CE Mobility. He was upset because they were not getting back at him a phone in that part. I understand. But I also felt like even him, he does not understand why he has to wait that long. It's a norm. It's not like ama wheelchairs asuke corner. Even if a corner on the floor, they might not be suitable for your child. They have to order this part from there, this part from there. Sometimes some of the parts they have to order from overseas. So you have to wait until the part comes. But it is worth the wait. So there is nothing funny with Okings also saying Uti wheelchair gagafigi and they've been waiting long, but he paid for it. Because of course they're not gonna order the wheelchair when you haven't paid for it. The payment has to be sorted. Once the payment is sorted, then they start putting things together for you. But one thing I can say, you guys, is that it is worth it. If it's CE Mobility, that woman should wait for that wheelchair from CE Mobility, because her child's life will be changed by that wheelchair, because they go all out to make sure that whatever sitting support that she gets on the wheelchair is suitable for her. Okay, I'm just suspecting that the lady just wanted money. Honestly, I don't understand it, because I feel like if somebody came to me and said, listen, I will pay for your child's wheelchair, you just have to wait for like 12 months, I'll wait the 12 months, because those wheelchairs are expensive. It's not everybody that can afford it. Anyway, you guys, if you hear snoring, it's because some people are sleeping here. Anyway, that's all that I wanted to share. I was heartbroken, honestly, to see King Zoso being so stressed trying to help somebody. But I do know that sometimes we think people need help, but they don't really, like, because who would complain if you got building material for free, you know, and then you get a wheelchair for free, and then who would complain about that? You know, I just feel like that lady just wanted money, okay? But my part was just to clarify that the waiting period, you guys, it's the norm. Nothing comes. I think with when we were getting my child is standing frame, which we had to get from the company in Joburg, I think it was almost close to a year for us waiting for the standing frame. They imported it, and then to Joburg, and then from Joburg to here, after all of the assessments that had to be done. So with those things, it's not just a straightforward, you go to the shop, you pick it up, and that's it. It's not like that. And I don't know why she does not know that you have to wait. Anyway, you guys, ngiyabonga.